Kind of lightning storm here in Toronto. I don't hear anything, but I can definitely see it. There's a war going off in heaven. Look at that big flash and no sound. Right behind that cloud. There's the city. That's looking south towards Toronto downtown. And that is a war. Lightning bolts flying everywhere, but no sound. In particular in this spot right there. It's looking totally in the sky on the south, looking south. It's like one of those Florida storms, but no sound. That is really interesting. You can definitely tell there's something going on back there. It's not raining. Definitely got a storm going on here. Constant lightning. That is so cool. If you're just tuning in, this is lightning going off with no sound. Happening in Toronto, looking south from my apartment on the 7th floor. It's been going on for like half an hour. Constant lighting. No sound. It's a war in heaven. They're just throwing lightning bolts at each other. That's electrical. Very interesting. There you go. Lightning in the sky. No sound. We're living on Earth too.